It was published on June 7th in 2018. This song displays the yearning of Hmong refugees who long to see their homeland one more time after 50 years in America. This song resonates with me and many other Hmong people because we have seen the sacrifices our parents, grandparents, and great-grandparents all made to get to America for a better life, to live the life they dream of us having. This song was written in the native language of Hmong people. The chorus translates, "If I had one more day, if I could go, I really want to see the house covered in leaves. If I had one more time, if I could go, I would love to see the thatched house one more time."
Your